Hey guys, this is a quick unboxing of a new product that I received. This is something sold exclusively in Home Depot by a company probably doesn't mean much to you. Company's Mercury, San Pedro, California. That company is more commonly known as the designer, manufacturer, and importer of the Genie type, the Genie class of cameras, and they have this new product that has few important features. Unlike older versions of previous cameras, this one works with Google, Alexa, keeps focus on, where others would just have their focus vary back and forth or stay fixed in one area and be just a little bit hazy to the background, hazy to the front, and focusing mid-range. This is autofocus, which is good. It comes in two, comes in pair, smart indoor camera. What else? Has an app, has other devices, an app on the App Store, cloud storage, most importantly cloud storage, micro SD storage. So basically what this does is the same thing that Ring sells you, but they sell you the service with it. With this product you just put the card yourself, you can monitor everything, you can download videos if you need, you can do whatever you need to do. That's how it comes in the package. The little instruction manual here, how to set it up, where to position it, what type of cards to use, and so on. Has those little chargers. Come on. It's all taped together nicely. Comes with those little chargers here that are, I can't really see, 5 volts, standard 5 volts, 1 amp. That's pretty much industry standard. Comes with micro USB, data cable, just a regular data cable. What else? And that's the actual camera. Plug it in here, peel off the sticker, and you're ready to go. It basically follows around. If somebody is around, it follows it. There is an electric motor inside. You can install this. There are installation packages. You can install installation hardware that you can install this upside down. You can have it hanging on the ceiling or something like that. I believe it's a very good product. I'll try this. I'll try this as. There's a place for the micro SD card. It's a very good location to put. Nice, very good product. I'll try the videos and I'll upload some soon. Thank you for watching. Bye.